Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you beautiful woodcrafts ideas. So I hope viewers you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Wooden plant or wooden board can be used to make simple plant box. This box look especially beautiful in garden balcony. You can fill them with flowers, herb or small green plants. Wooden plants look wonderful together because they both create a nature feeling. Wooden garden decor. If you have all piece of wood in your garden, don't throw them away. You can turn them into sink, plant stand, small house decorative shape, or simple garden ornaments. A wooden garden sink can say words such as welcome, garden, or home. You can paint the word by hands and add small flowers or leaves around them. Another creative idea is a wooden birdhouse. A simple birdhouse made from wood can become both a useful garden items and a beautiful decoration. And weavers, my next idea is weavers. You can keep the design natural, paint the house in bright color, add a small roof and a little entrance hall, and place it in a suitable outdoor area. It can give your garden a charming and a natural look. A wooden photo frame is a simple craft that can be made with small wooden piece. You can arrange the piece around a photo and decorate the frame with flowers, small beads, rope, or other crafts material. A handmade photo frame is a beautiful way to display family memories. And weavers, a wooden candle holder. So weavers, wooden candle holders. Friends, a small piece of wood can be shaped into simple holder for candles. You can leave the wood natural or for a rustic look, or decorate it with paint and small detail. Place a few candle holders together on a dining table, shelf, coffee table to create a warm and atmosphere. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends,